Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Hairvivi. Okay, this is the packaging. It looks like a gift, really nice. I love the color too. It's giving. I love it. Very minimalistic vibe. On the inside, I'm seeing this bag, like a drawstring bag branded Hairvivi. I got these two true scalp tips, and these are really to make the wig have more of that scalp like look, you know, no grades, no nothing, and you know, kind of fit, you know, that woman of color vibe even better. So these are just two different colors that I got in my package. I have both a mocha, this darker one here, and cappuccino. So the darker one is mocha and the lighter one is cappuccino, and I think this is so cool that they're still like doing more upgrades to wigs to make them look even more realistic. I mean, who doesn't love a good realistic look, right? So they're saying this is like a revolutionary upgrade, and I love that. Okay, but it was only like one color choice of silicone stickers on the market, and the color was a bit too light for most like darker skins. So you know, they noticed that they kind of wanted to eliminate you having to use all that foundation or powder or just makeup in general, you know. So they developed this so it could like match your skin better, and I love that. You know, I'm always up for a good melted lace look, one that's not highly recognizable at all. So I got a smaller bag here, and it's also branded Hairvivi. And inside of this, I got a little necklace, a little gift. I always love a good gift. And it says S. Let me take it out. Talk about details. Okay, you see those little like the little, like, it's not knots, but it's like some dots. It's like a really nice cool detail. And this like pendant here, it has an S on it. This is so cute. Thank you, Hairvivi. I love how different their package is. You know, they're giving, you know, wig package with a difference, because this is like, you know how I usually get the pamphlets or the booklets. This is that, like, it's much smaller. It's just quick and cute and to the point. Hairvivi, elegant and effortless. It's basically just showing you how to take care of your wig on the inside here, and it has their email where if you have any issues you can contact them on the back. Most of the companies that take like great pride in their presentation of the packaging, usually their wig is usually really good. I've never really had a bad experience with a properly done package. Like, yeah. So this is a card here. It says Hairvivi again, and it's like a little envelope. Okay, it says you are invited, and this card has their social media listed on the back here, and this one is just telling you about them, and then this one here is basically a return and exchange card. They nicely packaged the wig in tissue paper. That's everything in the box. It's so cute. This is so professional. I love it. And voila, we got the wig. It smells good in here. It smells good. Oh, okay. This feels good. As you can see, it's a nice body wave wig. Brown paper. I mean, usually it's white paper in here. They're just so different. I love that. And their little tag is on the wig. Oh Lord, guys. Okay, you know what? I can spot quality from a mile away. Honey, you see that pre-plucked edge? Girl, I feel like if you're looking for a bomb wig, this is a great investment. I'm gonna tell you right off the bat. In not even install it, I know that this is gonna look top tier when I'm done. I'm so excited for this. This is a gorgeous 13 by 6 lace front wig. All right, and as you can see, it has highlights. By now I feel like I can put this in my favorites. I really do love highlighted wigs. A good body wave one. It is already pre-bleached, pre-plucked and tinted, and it looks so good. The cap construction is standard, but it looks so clean. Something about it just looks so clean, and I love that. There's an extra elastic band in here, and it's branded Hairvivi. The cap has a total of 3 combs, and it also has adjustable straps in the back. You could go ahead and remove the extra elastic band if you want, but I'm gonna leave it for extra security, you know. And this came with a center part in there. Looks really good. You know, I love a deep part. I love a deep part. It's nice and bouncy and shiny, and it's full to the tip of the wig. And I'm gonna use the Cappuccino for my lace today, and it's a whole new look for the wigs, and they refer to it as the like bionic scalp. So this will help like to replace the traditional fake scalp look. It will cover your hair color and hide the lace grids perfectly to achieve a more realistic scalp result or look. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, just peel it. So I applied it to the center perfectly and just pressed it in gently. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and you guys will see. So this right here, the extra elastic band, is really, you know, it helps with more security. So if you want to go completely glueless, you can feel free to do so. I'm going to actually use glue for my install today, but yeah, just letting you know, once you have this in a wig, it really helps with the security and preventing it from slipping. I am yet to go in and do anything to this wig, and even the hair is falling so nicely. Like everything is basically done for you already. It's just for you to put it on your head and go. And as I say, you could definitely go ahead and wear this glueless. So for the scalp, look at this. Let me get as close as possible for you guys. You guys see that? Tell me say that no look good. It looks so believable, so believable. You see that graduation? You see that scalp? It's too lit. It's too lit. I see, it makes me so happy to bring this kind of variety to you guys. Look at this. Look at this quality. It's not frizzy. It's not dry. You know, it's not dead. It has a lot of movement. It's given, I won't even have to go in and do much. All I'm gonna do is just further lay this with my hot comb. But like the tape really helped. It really helped. And you see, I haven't cut out the extra lace as it, and you see how well that's blended with my skin tone. It is gorgeous. Hairvivi, if they continue like this, they would definitely make it to my favorites list. I'm gonna cut off the extra lace on the sides here. So sitting perfectly. Your scalp. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly. 'Cause we be on a top Oh, we feeling go ahead and get this, like, you know, a little bit more laid. It's already so nicely laid, and I'm gonna apply, well, firstly, before I do that, well, I'm actually allowing the elastic band to just melt down that lace even more, and in the meantime I'm just gonna go in on the hairline here and where the parting is. And listen, you see how realistic this parting is, the scalp is. No concealer is needed. That's the whole aim, as I explained initially, with this upgraded revolutionary type of, you know, lace wig. So bad. Ooh, and this is so hot. And I haven't done any edges, okay? This is right after just, you know, putting on, like, in doing the whole glue process. Any part you see here, like with a little white, trust, it's going to dry down over the course of the next 24 hours, okay? So how well this lace match my skin tone, I almost forgot that I didn't put away the excess, you know, guys. Like, I am not kidding. I'm all done with installing this wig. I'm so pleased. Like, I showed you guys this with no baby hairs, and then I just went ahead and did some light swoops. Very light. I didn't even go heavy like on the sideburns. I wanted to keep it so natural and realistic looking. It looks so good. I didn't go in and like redefine the curls or anything. I'm just rocking it straight out of the box, right? Exactly how it came, straight out of the box. It laid effortlessly. This entire wig is giving what it's supposed to give. Is 10 out of 10 recommend. 10 out of 10. Like, it's giving. If you want a really nice wig for a very special occasion, get this wig. Of course, you can go ahead and not get it highlighted, you know, if you're looking for a very timeless type of vibe. But if you want the little street vibe, oh my gosh, this is so pretty too. Like, the hair, oh, minimal flyaways, minimal shedding. The movement on this is beautiful, gorgeous luster. You know, everything is just super realistic. So I love that about this wig. But most importantly, I love how believable they made the lace, you know, and the upgrade that they did with the whole scalp portion. It's not giving regular fake scalp, you know, it's a whole new vibe, and I love that. So shout out Hairvivi. Okay, I feel so good in this wig. It's very lightweight as well, okay, and it has a scent to it. It's not super strong, but it smells really nice. I don't know what it is, but it smells nice straight out of the packaging. So I'm very pleased. Let me know what you guys think about this in my comment section. I'm going to be sure to leave the direct link as usual down there, along with the specifications. And you know, if you guys are interested in this wig, you can get it for yourself. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and share it as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.